info on TransUnion. Need to update your personal info on TransUnion? I'll show you how, step by step. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll guide you through updating your personal information on TransUnion to keep your credit report accurate. Step 1. Go to the TransUnion website and log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your profile or personal information section. Step 3. Select the info you want to update, like your address or phone number. Step 4. Enter the correct details and save the changes. Step 5. TransUnion may ask for verification documents. Upload these as needed. Step 6. Wait for confirmation that your information has been updated. Quick tip: regularly check your credit report to ensure all details are up to date and accurate. If this helped, like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel and leave a comment with your questions. Thanks for watching.